guys, welcome to Wellste channel. Today I'm going to introduce our Tslot profile for you. As you can see here, our Tslot, we are a specialized Tslot manufacturer, and we can also offer the Tslot accessories for you. As you can see here, we can offer the pin, hinge, T-nut, bolt, and busting, okay, and connector for you. And usually we do the silver or black anodizing for the Tslot. And if you have other requirements such as the powder coating, we can also do that for you. Usually the Tslot can be applied in many areas such as the automotive area and construction industry. So I'm sure we can reach all of your requirements. If you are interested in our products, just feel free to contact us. Thank you.